Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you're watching this video right now, there's every chances that you are learning how to build a website, or you are looking to start out your own website or blog website. So today I'll be explaining WordPress to you. Now, WordPress basically is a software that is used to build website or blog. So it's basically an open source content management system. Simply means that it is free to access. And the good news about WordPress is that about 35% of all websites on the internet are being built on WordPress. So you can imagine the number, like tons of websites that you can find on the internet are built with WordPress. So if you're using WordPress, yeah, also among the list today. All right, now one of the unique thing about WordPress is that there are two platforms. We have WordPress.com and we have WordPress.org. The WordPress.com is for those that want to use WordPress, their software on their hosting server as well. So it gives, though you don't have a lot of access in editing your website like you want it to be, but it can always be as professional as well. But for those that are developers and you want to really go deep down to editing your website like you want, that's where WordPress.org come in place. WordPress.org, where you can download the WordPress software and install it personally on your own server or hosting, either a live hosting or a local hosting. So if you have installed WordPress on your server or your hosting like I have done here, it basically give you admin access so you can always log into your website anytime. So when you log into your website from your hosting, you can always make any edits. Okay, so when you are logged into your WordPress dashboard, this is how the view looks like. This is because I have a lot of plugins installed here. So there are basically four things around building a website with WordPress. So there are many other things, but like the core four things around building a website with WordPress. Number one are pages. Now your pages are where all your website pages are created, like come to your about us page, your contact page, your home page, your blog page, your portfolio pricing, and a lot of these are different pages that I have created here based on um, based on what I want them to talk about. So you have tons of pages that can, can create. This is like my contact page. So the first thing are pages, the website. Every website are a combinations of different pages that are linked together. So the first page you always find whenever you open the website is the home page. That's like the first page that links to every other pages on the website, like this that I have here. So your home page is like the major page that links to other pages. Now, the next thing that I'll be talking about after pages are posts. That is for those that are into blogging, that you write content. So if you click on post, almost all the articles that you write on your website, you will find them here. So if you come to my home page, I have some posts that I also publish, like this one here. Everything you need to know about creating a website. This is a post. This is another post, and I also have some posts on my website here. So this is where it takes effect under posts. So all your posts, I just have like three content that I wrote on this website here. Now the next thing, which is like the core um, aspect of WordPress website, are theme. Your theme is basically what gives your website appearance. Determines your website appearance, determines your website's color, determines your website typography, and a lot of features that like your layout as well. And the unique thing about WordPress is that you can get a thousands of theme to use on your website. When you just come to add new, you can search for free themes. There are thousands of themes that you can install, though they are also paid. There are some that are paid, some are free that you can always install just to suit the need of your website. and you can always edit them anytime. Like if you install anything, you can choose to edit it. You can change the content, change the view around it to suit your own need. So these are a lot of themes that you can install and edit on your website. Now, this is so unique. You can also change your determine your menu, your header, your background. You can customize the theme as well. You can customize the theme to suit your need like you want. So when you're talking about customization of the theme, that is where you can get the color. You can see you can set up your favicon icon. You can set up your header, your typography, everything around your website. You can set it up from customization. So come to your buttons and everything. This is all on that theme. So you can do all these edits and modification of your like the website. The theme I'm using here now is Sydney. So I choose to edit and make it suit my own need. And the last thing, which is also an important aspect in building website with WordPress, is plugins. Plugins. So basically, plugins are like fixtures like they give your website additional features that you want. Like for example, if you check the homepage of my website, you see the text here are moving. Like you can see this. What I use to do this is a plugin that I give my website that um, additional functionality, which is typing effects. So it gives animate typing effects plugin, allowing you to generate a short code that types out words. You can see that. So if you also want to receive payments, you can install payments plugin. Like this is a paystack plugin that I installed on my website. I have plugin for Mailchimp form. That's for form. I have plugin for LearnPress. That's for those that want to learn or take a course on the website. I have Facebook for WordPress. This is for I'm using this one for to set up my pixel and for the purpose of ads creation on my website. So plugins are also very important aspect of website creation with WordPress. So what are the four things that I made mention again of? Number one, what pages correct, then number two, post, number three, your theme under your appearance, and the last one, plugin. So this will be like end of this explanation. You can stay tuned on the channel. There will be other upload that will be coming in soon. Thank you.